Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV. Today, I'm an easily excited guy, but I'm super excited about the new NorthPoint for 2027. They have cleaned this up, they have made it look great, and they have made it more functional than ever. So let's take a walk around. I'm gonna shoot over here to this guy so we can check out the outside area, the part that I like, the one that makes sense to me being the service guy, right? So running Nautilus system, all our tanks are dumped very easily. Everything you need in one place. New filter system from Nuvo that they're running this year. Incredible filter system, gonna keep your internal working parts just really good. Water heater, everything going through those filters. Really cool setup. So they've just made it really easy, very serviceable if you need service, and very easy to use for the unuser. So I love what they've done to the new NorthPoint. They're the only guys out there giving me this access too, and for a service guy, this is super important. This is the backside of your refrigerator. I can work on the backside of your refrigerator without pulling it out into the living area. So if you've ever done that, it's not a fun thing to do. Awesome job, Jaco. Let's go take a look inside this guy over here. This is the 381 CKRE. Just a really cool rear living floor plan with a great kitchen as well. The kitchen area is more than ample for 2 people to cook. If you guys enjoy doing that together, perfect seating area that does come out. The living area, you could entertain multiple people and not feel crowded at all. Or if you just want to keep it to yourself and not tell everybody what you've got, I don't blame you for that, because it's a really cool setup. TV comes out from that huge fireplace. You've also got the back window, so if you've got a view, and just Phil, when you walk over here, I want you to pan around and look at the windows in this particular rig. If you had a view or you had something to look at, the door side of this unit is incredible. It is literally all glass. Great place to do some work if you had to. Wonderful pantry. Super easy setup for opening and closing the slides, running everything, checking the tank levels. They've gone back from the multiplex system to the switches, so very, very user-friendly. Come up here. Bathroom, household shower, just like you would expect to see in a luxury fifth wheel, maybe even a little bit better. King size bed, huge closet. If you've got shoes, I got a place to put them. So wonderful setup here. Washer and dryer prep, or just an extra large closet if you want to go that way with it. King bed. Storage under the bed. There's your new filters. They've really done it well. They've really done it well. The Jaco product gets better every year, and you can see it in their market share. The Jaco luxury fifth wheels are the #1 selling luxury fifth wheels in the market today, and that's why we love them. Very nice job of Jaco. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.